Do you like war games? Have you ever wondered if you need a powerful airsoft gun to dominate the battlefield? Well, nowadays there are plenty of high-tech airsoft guns that can take down your opponents with ease. So gear up and get ready to dominate. Welcome to your Tech TV, and these are 8 airsoft guns with insane firepower. Number 1. M134A2 Vulcan Minigun. The M134A2 Vulcan Minigun, a modified version of the multi-barrel high-speed minigun, is a heavy-duty airsoft weapon manufactured by the Chinese company, Classic Army. It is a smaller version of the M61 Vulcan rotary cannon, which is often featured in popular movies like Terminator, Predator, and Furious 7. Despite the high price tag of $4,000, the gun remains popular among airsoft enthusiasts. The M134A2 Vulcan minigun boasts 6 barrels and a rotating block, which significantly increases the rate of fire. It can fire up to 3,000 shots per minute, and the muzzle velocity can be adjusted by the valve, ranging from 100 to 170 meters per second. The built-in magazine can hold up to 2,000 BBs, and the gun uses a rechargeable battery and a gas-compressed air system. The gun is almost a meter long, weighing nearly 12 kilograms, making it an intimidating yet impressive piece of equipment. The M134A2 Vulcan minigun is an impressive airsoft weapon suitable for those seeking heavy artillery. While the high price may deter some buyers, the gun's unique features and impressive rate of fire make it an excellent choice for serious airsoft enthusiasts. Number 2. Cybergun M249 Para. The Cybergun M249 Para is an airsoft gun manufactured by the French company Cybergun. With an impressive magazine capacity of 500 BBs and a muzzle velocity of 120 meters per second, this machine gun stands out from other airsoft models. The automatic Hi-Capa magazine increases the range of fire to 60 meters, while the high-speed firing rate of up to 850 BBs per minute makes this gun a force to be reckoned with on the airsoft battlefield. Priced at a minimum of $220, the Cybergun M249 Para is a worthwhile purchase for airsoft enthusiasts seeking a reliable and powerful machine gun. The gun's impressive features, including its high-capacity magazine and firing rate, make it a popular choice among airsoft players looking to dominate their opponents. The Cybergun M249 Para is a unique and powerful airsoft gun that stands out from other models. Its automatic Hi-Capa magazine, impressive firing rate, and range of fire make it a formidable gun on the airsoft battlefield. Number 3. Valken ASL Series M4. The Valken ASL Series M4 is an airsoft electric gun designed and developed by the American brand Vulcan. It's part of the Accelerate Sports line and is a high-quality plastic replica of the real rifle. The compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for confined spaces. The housing has an original shape, and the gun features a key mod rail and an unusual receiver, giving it a modern and intimidating appearance. The rifle has magazine detach buttons on both the right and left sides of the receiver, making it convenient for both right-handed and left-handed users. The fire mode selector can also be found on both sides of the gun. Priced at approximately $165, the Valken ASL Series M4 is an excellent choice for a high-quality, reliable gun with a unique appearance. Number 4. Krytac KRISS Vector. The Krytac KRISS Vector is a realistic, airsoft replica of a submachine gun developed by the Transformation of Defense Industries. The American company, Krytac, has created an airsoft version of this gun that bursts in 6mm caliber and has a 95 BB magazine. The length of the gun varies from 445 to 665 millimeters, and it weighs 2.6 kilograms. The fire mode selector and fuse are conveniently located on both sides of the gun for ease of use. The body of the gun is constructed with a combination of metal and plastic, and it can fire at a muzzle velocity of 110 to 120 meters per second. Priced at $450, the Krytac KRISS Vector is a valuable addition for airsoft players seeking a realistic and dependable replica of a submachine gun. And its unique features, such as the fire mode selector on both sides, although the gun's price may be higher than other airsoft models, its quality and lifelike design make it a purchase well worth considering. Number 5. CYMA Standard VSR-10. The Chinese company produces the traditional and uncomplicated CYMA Standard VSR-10 airsoft sniper rifle. The spring-activated trigger of this rifle, which has a magazine that can contain up to 55 BBs, must be reloaded before each fire. The gun weighs 2.5 kilograms and measures 115 centimeters long. The variety of accessories offered by various businesses is one of this rifle's most impressive qualities. A custom stock or barrel can give your CYMA Standard VSR-10 a distinctive look. This rifle is an economical and dependable choice for airsofters looking for a traditional and classic style, with a starting price of just $100. For airsofters who desire a straightforward yet beautiful sniper rifle, CYMA Standard VSR-10 is a great choice. You can personalize your rifle while keeping it within your budget by adding a variety of accessories. Number 6. BO FABARM STF-12. The FABARM STF-12 shotgun, developed by French company BO Manufacture, is an excellent example of an airsoft gun designed to look authentic. While it is an airsoft model, it appears almost as realistic as the original shotgun. One notable feature of this shotgun is its Picatinny rail, which enables you to mount a collimator sight onto the weapon for better aim. The shotgun is made from ABS plastic and does not have a folding stock. It fires 6mm caliber projectiles and releases 3 BBs simultaneously. The magazine capacity can hold up to 30 pellets, while the muzzle velocity is 95 meters per second. The shotgun weighs just under 2 kilograms and costs approximately $86. With its impressive appearance and impressive features, the FABARM STF-12 is a must-have for a realistic yet affordable shotgun. The ability to mount a collimator sight on the Picatinny rail provides better accuracy, while the 3 BBs burst fire capability adds excitement to the airsoft battles. Number 7. Hornet M25 Kit. If you're a video game enthusiast, you may recognize this airsoft gun on today's list, the Hornet M25 Kit. This kit is specifically designed to enhance standard airsoft guns, making airsoft battles more thrilling. Inspired by the popular Mass Effect franchise, specialists from the French company Avatar have created this kit to replicate the iconic submachine gun, the Hornet M25, featured in Mass Effect 3 and Mass Effect Andromeda. The kit is compatible with a wide range of models, including real guns like the Glock pistol. Once attached, your gun will resemble the Hornet M25 and will come in 2 colors, black obsidian and white Cerberus. The cost of the kit is $140. With the Hornet M25 Kit, you can take your airsoft game to the next level and become the ultimate Mass Effect fan. Number 8. Desert Warrior 4.3. The Desert Warrior 4.3 airsoft gun by Tokyo Marui is a popular choice for airsoft. This compact gun features a sand-colored scheme, weighs 830 grams, and has a low-cap magazine that can hold 25 BBS. It has a muzzle velocity of 85 meters per second and is easy to modify thanks to the removable Picatinny rail. The gun's affordable price of $110 makes it an excellent choice for those on a budget. Despite being released in 2009, the Desert Warrior 4.3 is still in demand due to its impressive features and reliability. It's a great option for airsoft players looking for a compact and customizable gun. In conclusion, airsoft guns offer a thrilling way to engage in battles with friends or other airsoft enthusiasts. Whether you prefer the classic design of a sniper rifle or the power and intimidation of a heavy-duty machine gun, there is an airsoft gun for everyone. With so many high-tech and affordable options available, you can easily find an airsoft gun that fits your style and budget. So gear up, practice your aim, and get ready to dominate the battlefield with one of these impressive airsoft guns. How about you watch this video right here, or this new one right here?